Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create a makeup store website using Shopify. First, be sure to check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify and also a $1 for 1 month one-time deal. So without further ado, let's get going. First, we're going to go over here to the products section and we're going to click on add product. Here we're going to start uploading all of our products. For example, I'm going to start with my wine red, and we're going to copy our title and we're going to click over here on generate text and we're going to paste our title over here. We're going to click on generate and now Shopify is going to create a description for us. Here we can either choose generate again to generate another description, or just click over here on keep to keep the one we already have. For media, we're going to click on upload new and we are going to choose an image for our product. Here on the right, you can see that we also have a product type, a vendor, a collection section, and a tags section. Here, we're in collections, make sure to add your product to your homepage collection, and for tags, we can put, for example, makeup. Next, we're going to go over here, as you can see, on the category section. Now, usually Shopify is going to choose a category for us, and as you can see, it's almost always going to be correct. But if we want, we can click over here and we can change it to whichever one we would like. For the pricing section, we are going to choose a pricing for our product. For example, I'm going to charge around 30,000 pesos for this, and our cost per item is going to be around 20,000 pesos. This is going to give us a 10,000 pesos profit at a 33.3 margin of profit. For inventory, I'm just going to uncheck this because we are not going to keep track of it. And here we also can assign weight to our product in case we are going to do any kind of shipping. So once we are done customizing our product, we are going to click over here on save. And as you can see, we would have our first product uploaded. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on add product again, and I'm going to click on uploading all of the products that I want on my online store. So once I'm done, I'll be back with you guys. So as you can see, once I have added an eyeliner, an eyeshadow, and a mascara product. So what we're going to do next, we're going to go over here to our online store and we're going to start to customize it. First, we're going to be able to change the theme of our store. If we go down, we can see that Shopify is going to give us a bunch of free themes. And here, if we click on Visit Theme Store, we are going to be redirected to the Shopify theme store. Here, we're going to be able to see a lot more themes in for sale, some of which may better suit our website. But for me, I'm just going to stick with the default one for now. So once we are back over here, we're going to click on customize, and here we're going to have a lot of different sections. We are going to call these things sections that are going to be outlined by a blue line, and the name is going to appear right over here on the top left. On the right, we're going to have a lot of different options to customize our sections. For example, this is our image banner, and we're going to click over here to select an image to be displayed as our banner. Once it's done uploading, we're going to click on done. And as you can see, the background of our banner has now changed. Next, we're going to go over here to our heading and we're going to change its text. For example, we're going to put welcome to my makeup. And as you can see, the text has now changed. Now let's say that we want to add a new section to our website. What we're going to do is we're going to go over here to add a section on template, and we're going to choose one of the options. We have featured collections, featured product, collections list. But for now, we're just going to click a featured product. So once we are here, you can see that a new section has appeared right at the bottom. And here on the top right, we're going to click on select to select a product to be displayed as our on our website. For example, I'm going to choose my wine red lipstick. And as you can see, the product is now being displayed on this new section. Let's say that we want to change this section a little bit. For example, we're going to change its color scheme and we're going to choose a nice dark theme. Now let's say that we have added a new section by mistake. For example, we're going to add a new section over here, and it's going to be a featured collection. Here, as you can see, the new section has appeared, and if we want to delete it, what we're going to do is we're going to click, make sure that we have the section we want to delete selected, and we're going to go over here to remove section. As you can see, the section has now been removed. Another thing that we can do is we can either add a section to our footer, we can add a custom liquid or an email sign up, and the same goes for our header, we can add a custom liquid or an announcement bar. Another very important thing about our header is going to be that right here our store's name is going to be displayed. How do we change it? Well, we are going to save our changes up until now, and we're going to go to the home page of Shopify, and we're going to click on name your store. Here we're going to click name store again, and we're going to be able to change our store's name right over here. We're going to put makeup store, and we're going to save our changes. Now, in order to make sure that everything is correct, we're going to go to our online store again, but now we are going to click on the three dots and we're going to click on preview. This is going to redirect us to our website, and as you can see, the name of our store right here on our header has now changed. We can go down to make sure that everything else is set up just the way we want, and once we are done, we are going to go back over here so that we can go over here to the analytics and marketing section. This is going to be a really important section for us, guys, because we're going to be able to see our total sales, our sales by channel, our total orders, the average order value, and a lot of different things, such as, for example, which products are going to be the most popular amongst our customers, and a lot more information, which is going to really help us manage and customize our website and our business all from the same place. Lastly, I wanted to show you the discount section here. If we click on add discount, we are going to choose an amount of products. We're going to be able to customize our own discounts for our store. For example, here we can choose the code for our discount. For example, I can choose makeup 101, or if we just click here, Shopify is going to create a random code for us. Below it, we can choose which kind of discount it's going to be, if it's going to be a percentage or a fixed amount. I'm going to choose a percentage, and it's going to be a 10% discount. Here we can choose which collections our discount is going to apply to. If we click on browse, for example, I'm going to choose my homepage collection. Now this discount would apply to all of the products on my home page. If we keep going down, you can see that we also have further things to customize our discounts, such as if we need any minimum purchase requirements, the customer eligibility, the maximum amount of uses it has, the combinations, and here if we click on set end date, we can choose an expiration date for our discount. For example, I'm going to choose the 26th, and once we are done, we're going to click over here on save discount, and if we go back, you can see that we already have our first discount ready to either post on social media, maybe gift to a friend, or just use however we would like. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys next time.